Introducing the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 1 AMD Ryzen 7 5700U 15.6 inches HD thin and light laptop. It has OS and software, Windows 11 Home. It comes with processor, AMD Ryzen 7 5700U and speed, 1.8 GHz, base, 4.3 GHz, max. 8 cores and graphics, integrated AMD Radeon graphics. It comes with memory, 16 GB DDR4 3200 and storage, 512 GB SSD. It has display, 15.6 inches Full HD, 1920 by 1080. It also features 250 nits brightness, anti-glare and non-backlit keyboard. It also features 4-side narrow bezel vertical bar connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, 11x and Bluetooth 5.2. The delivery box contains laptop, user manual, and power adapter.